Hello students, today we'll do exercise 1.1 question number 8. Show that the relation R in the set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 given by R is A, B, the ordered pair A, B such that modulus of A minus B is even. Modulus of A minus B is even is an equivalence relation. That is first part of the question. Then second part of the question is show that all the elements of the subset 1, 3, 5 is a subset are related to each other. Then we have to prove the next third part all the elements of 2, 4. 2, 4 is again a subset are related to each other. Then next fourth part of the question is the set 1, 3, 5 is not related to 2, 4. So 4 divisions are there. So first let us prove it is an equivalence relation. So it is reflexive. Why it is reflexive? If you take any element from A. For example, if you take 2, 2, 2 belongs to R. What is the condition? 2 minus 2 should be an even number. So you know 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 0 is taken as an even number. So 0 is an even number. Therefore R is reflexive. You can take any number like that. 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. 0 is an even number. So it is reflexive. Is it symmetric? Let A, B belongs to R. Then A minus B is even. If you take A, B is in R, A minus B is even. What is minus of A minus B? That is also even. What is minus of A minus B? That is nothing but B minus A. So B minus A is even. That means B, A belongs to R. You can take an example 1, 5. Take two odd numbers. 1, 5 belongs to R. Why? Because the modulus of 1 minus 5 is 4, is even number. Take 5, 1, 5 minus 1 is also even. So it is symmetric. Is it transitive? If AB and BC belong to R, that means A minus B is even. BC belongs to R, B minus C is even. Now you add these two, A minus B plus B minus C plus B minus B cancelled, A minus C you get. If you add two even numbers, it will be an even number. So A minus C, modulus of A minus C is also even. We got it from here. Okay, minus B plus B cancelled, so A minus C is even. That means A, C belongs to R. So AB and BC belong to R. AC also belongs to R, therefore it is transitive. You can take an example 1, 5 and 5, 3. 1, 5, you have to start with 5. 5, something else. So 5, 3, if they are in R, 1 minus 5 is 4, is even. 5 minus 3 is 2, is even. What about 1 and 3? Yes, it is even. So 1, 3 belongs to R. Therefore R is transitive. So the relation is an equivalence relation. Okay. Now the second part, it is an equivalence relation. Second part of the question is show that the elements 1, 3, 5 are related to each other. 1, 3, 5 is a subset of the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 3, 5, they are related to each other. Why? Because if you take the difference of two odd numbers, the difference will be always even number. For example, you take 1 and 3, it will be 2. 3 and 5, the difference, modulus, will be 2. So the difference, they are related to each other as all the elements are odd numbers. Modulus of difference between any two odd numbers will be always even. So they are related to each other. The condition is the difference should be even. So they are all even. So they are related to each other. What about the subset 2, 4? All the elements are even numbers here. So they are related to each other because the modulus of difference between two even numbers will be always even. So they are related to each other. What about the subset 135 and 24? Are they related to each other? No, because the difference between odd number and even number will be always odd. Any two numbers, you take one odd and other one as even, the difference will be always odd. 1 minus 2 is 1 modulus, 3 minus 4, 5 minus 2, 5 minus 1 or 5 minus 4, whatever it is. So the modulus of difference between odd numbers and even numbers will be always odd. So they cannot be related to each other. Thank you.